In Jamaica of the 1960s, a land of sun and sea, where the reggae beat was born and the people were free. The island was alive, with a spirit so bright. A place where the rhythm of life was a wondrous sight. The air was sweet with the scent of blooming flowers, and the sound of drums and bass filled the hours. The people danced with joy, their hearts full of cheer. In Jamaica of the 1960s, there was no fear. The music was the pulse of the land, a rhythm so strong. It echoed through the hills, and sang a song of hope and love, of freedom and pride. In Jamaica of the 1960s, the people did ride. The sunsets were golden, the nights were so cool. The stars shone bright, like diamonds lit earth. The breeze was warm, the sea was calm. In Jamaica of the 1960s, life was a charm. So let us remember that special time and place, where love and music brought the people to their grace. In Jamaica of the 1960s, we found our way to a world of beauty, where we could play